Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your primary device, any saved backup codes, and access to the phone number or authenticator app you used. Open Facebook settings, go to Security and Login, and locate two-factor authentication. Once there, choose the recovery path, backup codes, text message, or authentication app. If you can't access your 2FA device, tap Need another way to authenticate and follow prompts to request a code or submit ID verification. This gets you into the actual recovery flow quickly. Once done with initial choices, verify why this resets security. Facebook needs to confirm you own the account to prevent takeover. Choose SMS if your number works, or use an authenticator app's 6-digit code. Enter it precisely, because one wrong digit blocks progress. If neither works, request identity review and upload a clear photo ID. Make sure names and DOB match your profile. The system then reviews and either grants temporary access or asks for more info, so stay patient and follow prompts. After regaining access, immediately re-enable two-factor authentication and prefer an authenticator app for stronger security. It avoids SMS interception. Scan the QR code or enter the setup key, then save the generated backup codes somewhere secure like a password manager. Make sure trusted contacts and a recovery phone or email are updated. If things go wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Clear the app or browser cache, use a different browser or device. Then retry verification or re-upload ID if needed. This often resolves upload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.